Hi everyone, this is a new lesson on modeling a pine tree in a blender. First click Shift A and create a cylinder, and set number of vertices and move object to another collection. Expand the bases and extrude up. To create foliage, create a pyramid and specify the number of vertices. Remove bases, select the vertex, lower them and expand them. Duplicate by click Shift D and omit with extension. We select everything and raise it up. We turn several parts, stretch the wood. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel.